Today, we are not just welcoming a political figure, but a passionate advocate for the empowerment of young minds. Mrs. Vijila Sathyananth, a former member of Parliament Rajya Sabha, Muthamil Public School warmly welcomes you, ma'am.
ലോക്സഭ അംഗമായി തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കപ്പെട്ട ഞാൻ ദൈവത്തിൻ്റെ നാമത്തിൽ സത്യപ്രതിജ്ഞ ചെയ്യുന്നു.
Delhi is number one in pollution. And sir, kindly tell us how can we keep our lungs healthy in Delhi?
The improving trend in overall air quality in Delhi NCR continues. For the period between January to August during the year, Delhi registers its best ever average air quality during the last 8 years.
That's all for today. The House will be adjourned for tomorrow, 10 a.m. Thank you.
I cannot put into words the way the children participated in the mock parliament, that is the youth parliament. Scarced with a lot of words. It is wonderful, awesome. I couldn't imagine the children having lots of thoughts and lots of information. I attended the same youth parliament in 2 schools, one in Chennai and one in Tirunelveli. Really, I say, children, this is the way. I give you 100 marks, and I really give you the top. In Chennai, I had to say a lot of my suggestions, but here, perfectly executed. God bless you, children, and I want all of you to achieve the highest goal in your life. Have a dream, accomplish your dream with sure determination. Best wishes and thanks for the management to find this wonderful time to be with the children and to enjoy the way the future leaders are made. Thank you.